How do I update my Garmin Pilot? To update your Garmin Pilot app, follow these steps. 1. First, ensure that you have a stable internet connection. 2. Open the Garmin Pilot app on your device. 3. At the bottom of the screen, tap the Settings icon, Gear icon. 4. Scroll down and tap on About Garmin Pilot. 5. Tap on the Hey Check for Updates button. 6. If an update is available, tap on the Download button. 7. Wait for the download to complete, which may take a few minutes depending on your internet speed. 8. Once the download is complete, tap on the Install button. 9. Wait for the installation to complete. During this process, your device may restart. 10. Once the installation is complete, open the Garmin Pilot app again. 11. Log into your account. 12. If prompted, accept any new terms and conditions. 13. Check the app settings to make sure that your preferences are still correct. 14. Ensure that your charts and databases are up to date. 15. Go for a test flight to ensure that everything is working as expected. Congrats! You've successfully updated your Garmin Pilot app and can now enjoy the latest features and bug fixes. If you are still any issues, you can contact customer support for assistance. Link in description box.